Can AI really build you a business in just 10 minutes? I tried it out, and the results were surprising. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how I used AI tools to build an entire business from scratch in real time. We'll cover everything, coming up with a business name, designing a logo, creating a website, crafting a product, and even developing a sales pitch. It's all AI powered, and you might just be surprised at how efficient the process can be. So if you've ever wondered if AI can make your business building dreams a reality, this is the video for you. Let's dive in and see if AI can really do it all. 10. Choosing the right tools for the job. Before we dive into the process, it's important to pick the right tools for the job. With so many AI-powered platforms out there, it can be a bit overwhelming to figure out where to start. For this challenge, I wanted to keep things simple but effective, so I selected a few popular AI tools that I knew could handle different aspects of the business building process. ChatGPT for brainstorming the business idea, creating the name, and writing content. Luca for logo design. Card for building a clean, functional landing page. Gumroad for selling the digital product. Canva for any additional design work, like creating promotional materials. The goal was to see how well these AI tools could collaborate to create a fully functional business, fast. And let me tell you, the results were both impressive and efficient. 9. Brainstorming the business idea. With the tools chosen, it's time to come up with the actual business idea. I wanted something that was not only feasible, but could also be relevant in today's rapidly evolving AI landscape. I turned to ChatGPT, and within minutes, I'm bouncing ideas around. I could create a business around AI training, digital art, or maybe even an AI-assisted consultancy. After some back and forth, I settled on a digital product focused on helping others leverage AI in their own businesses. More specifically, I'm thinking about offering an ebook or a guide that explains how to get started with AI-powered business tools. The beauty of using ChatGPT is how quickly it provides new angles and thoughts. In less than 10 minutes, I have a solid, unique business idea that's ready to be developed further. That's one of the coolest things about AI. It helps turn abstract ideas into something tangible without wasting time. 8. Creating a business name. Next, I need a catchy name for this business. A great name can be the difference between a business that sticks and one that gets forgotten. Once again, I turn to ChatGPT. I ask it to come up with a list of potential names that fit the theme of AI and business. After sifting through a few suggestions, I land on AI Hustle. It's short, memorable, and conveys exactly what the business is about, hustling in the world of AI. What I love about using ChatGPT for this is how quickly it can come up with creative ideas that would normally take me hours of brainstorming. I didn't have to overthink it. The name was right there, ready to go. 7. Designing the logo. Now that I have a name, it's time to make things visually appealing. A logo is essential for building a brand identity, but of course I'm not a designer. So I turned to Luca, an AI-powered logo design tool. I simply input the business name and a few keywords related to the niche, like AI, business, and technology. Almost instantly, Luca generates a variety of logo designs. I scroll through the options and pick one that feels sleek, modern, and professional. It's simple but effective, exactly the vibe I want for my new AI-powered business. With just a few clicks, I tweak the colors and fonts to match my vision. In under 10 minutes, I have a logo that could easily pass for a logo created by a professional designer. AI design tools like Luca make it so much easier for anyone, regardless of design experience, to create something visually appealing. 6. Building the landing page. With a name and logo in place, the next step is to get a landing page up and running. A landing page is essential for any business, especially if you want to start collecting leads and creating a sales funnel. For this, I use Card, a no-code platform that makes building websites ridiculously easy. It's perfect for simple landing pages and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Card's AI-powered templates make it super easy to customize everything. I select a clean, minimalistic design and add the business name, logo, and a short description of what AI Hustle is all about. I also set up an email sign-up form so potential customers can stay updated on the launch of the product. In less than 10 minutes, my landing page is live. It's clean, professional, and ready to capture interest. What's amazing about Carrot is how fast it is to build something that looks polished without needing to hire a designer or developer. It's all thanks to the intuitive template and AI-powered design assistance. 5. Creating the product. Now that the website is live, it's time to create the product. Since I'm focusing on AI and business tools, I decide to create a guide or ebook that teaches people how to use AI in their own ventures. This is where ChatGPT comes in again. I provide a rough outline of what I want the guide to cover, things like using AI to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and create content, and let ChatGPT help me generate the content. In under 30 minutes, I have a fully written ebook. The content flows well, and it's detailed enough to be valuable, but concise enough for people to read and implement quickly. Once I have the text, I format it using Canva to make it visually appealing. I add some design elements like clean headers and icons to make the guide easy to digest. The product is now ready to go. 4. Setting up the sales platform. With the product created, I need a platform to sell it. Enter Gumroad, a straightforward platform for selling digital products. I upload the ebook, set a price, and within minutes, it's available for purchase. Gumroad makes it super easy to handle transactions, and it even lets you create promotional links, which is great for marketing. Since the ebook is a digital product, there's no need for inventory or shipping, which means I can focus all my energy on promoting the product and driving sales. In no time, I've got a product page set up and ready to accept payments. 3. Crafting a sales pitch. With the product and sales platform set up, I need a pitch that will make potential customers want to buy the ebook. I use ChatGPT to help me write a compelling sales copy. The key here is to highlight the value of using AI in business and how the guide will help them achieve success faster and more efficiently. In just a few minutes, I got a powerful sales pitch that speaks directly to my audience. It emphasizes the ease of using AI tools and the potential to save time and money by incorporating them into your business strategy. It's concise, persuasive, and to the point, exactly what you need for a sales pitch. 2. Testing and tweaking. Once everything is up and running, it's important to test the entire business setup to ensure it functions smoothly. I visit the landing page, check the product page on Gumroad, and make sure the sign-up form works. I test the download link for the ebook and confirm that everything looks professional and works as it should. At this stage, it's just about making small tweaks to improve the overall user experience. The beauty of using AI tools is that you can make these changes quickly and easily without getting bogged down in complicated technical issues. 1. Launching the business. And just like that, my AI-powered business is successfully. From the initial brainstorming session to the final launch, the entire process took less than 10 minutes of focused work. Of course, I'll need to continue marketing the business, engaging with customers, and refining my strategy, but the foundation is solid. AI has made this process easier and faster than I ever could have imagined. And the best part, this business is just the beginning. With the power of AI, it's possible to rapidly scale and grow without needing to hire an entire team. So there you have it. I built a business with AI in just 10 minutes. From idea to launch, it was faster and easier than I ever expected, and the tools I used were incredibly user-friendly. AI really does have the power to help entrepreneurs build businesses faster and more efficiently. If you're looking to start your own business, consider leveraging AI to help you get started quickly and with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll also be offering a downloadable template for the tools I used, so check the description below. Thanks for watching.